nearly 4 years ago is charged again. Fox 6's Bill Miston joins us live. Bill, the original case here was dismissed, and my understanding, this all came down to one key witness.
Yeah, a witness who never showed up. That's why Darnell Kimble's homicide trial went out the window several years ago. Right now, prosecutors aren't saying what changed, but the refiling of charges signals that prosecutors are ready to take the case to trial again.
In a disturbing turn of events, a felon is once again charged with the passing of his girlfriend. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a shocking case that has left many baffled and concerned. Let's explore the troubling details together. Discussing the legal and ethical implications of the felon being charged again for a similar crime raises serious questions. How could this happen again? What does this mean for justice and safety? Now, let's delve deeper into the case. New evidence and developments have emerged, shedding light on the circumstances surrounding this tragic event. The more we uncover, the more complex and troubling the situation becomes. But wait, there's a twist. The climax of this case unveils a shocking revelation that no one saw coming. Brace yourselves for the unexpected turn of events that will leave you speechless.
This is the tragic story of Cheron Miller, who was taken out by her felon boyfriend.
Do you recognize this man right here? This is a picture of Darnell Kimble, provided by authorities. Kimble, now accused of shooting and killing a woman near 52nd and Locust, and right now there is a warrant out for his arrest. This is a victim in that shooting, identified as Cheron Miller. Family members of Miller call this an incident of domestic violence, and that's what we are also seeing in a criminal complaint filed against the alleged shooter, saying that Miller was trying to gather her belongings, attempting to leave a home that she shared with Darnell Kimble. Authorities say the two got into a fight before she left, and that is when Miller was shot and killed. Family members wish Miller would have left the suspect earlier, believing this would have never have happened. Again, we have a picture of the suspect on our website, fox6now.com, and the mobile app. If you see him, please call authorities.
New at 6, a story you'll see only on Fox 6. A Milwaukee man charged with murder is free after the district attorney's office says a key witness didn't show up for his trial.
The family of the woman he allegedly killed is devastated by this and hopes that witnesses turn up so the trial can carry on. Fox 6's Hannah Jewell spoke with him earlier today and has more on where the case stands right now.
Mary and Ted, this case seems cut and dry to this family who says they've been keeping close tabs with the DA's office here at the courthouse. They seemed like they had enough evidence and witness testimony for a trial to resume. Now they're just deflated. They're speaking out today, hoping somebody may be able to help.
This Thanksgiving will be another difficult holiday for the Brinson family.
The ball was dropped for justice for my daughter. It reopened the wound and it's all over again.
Learning Darnell Kimble, the man they believe to be their loved one's killer, was released without a trial.
He literally shot and murdered my daughter, and he's walking free as me and you, and she's no longer with us.
All we want is justice. I don't think we're asking for a lot at all. We just want to be at peace. And we're not at peace right now.
Cheron Miller was shot and killed in September 2019 at a home near 52nd and Locust.
It's not just hurtful for me, it's hurtful for the kids, my mother, her father.
Kimble was charged with killing the mother of 4 and until last Monday was in custody.
There's nothing they can tell me that would make me understand this.
According to Milwaukee County's Chief Deputy District Attorney Kent Laverne, this case was dismissed the same day it was scheduled for jury trial, saying because an essential witness for the state failed to appear, they could not proceed, and that prosecution will resume once that witness is found.
They just throw it out like it's nothing. It's not fair for us. It's not fair for the community.
In the meantime, Kimble is free.
You never know when he might spaz out or flip out on someone else and put them in the same situation and predicament as us.
In a criminal complaint, Kimble's mother is named as a witness who was there at the time of the shooting. shooting. We reached out to the DA's office to see if that's the key witness they're looking for. We'll let you know if we hear back. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Hannah Jewell, Fox 6 News.
Thank you, Hannah.
Is charged again. Fox 6's Bill Miston joins us live. Bill, the original case here was dismissed, and my understanding, this all came down to one key witness.
Yeah, a witness who never showed up. That's why Darnell Kimble's homicide trial went out the window several years ago. Right now, prosecutors aren't saying what changed, but the refiling of charges signals that prosecutors are ready to take the case to trial again.
The ball was dropped for justice for my daughter. It reopened the wound and it's all over again.
This is Jacqueline Brinson. She spoke with Fox 6 back in November 2020 after prosecutors said a key witness in the trial of this man, Darnell Kimble, failed to show up.
He literally shot and murdered my daughter, and he's walking free as me and you, and she's no longer with us.
31-year-old Cheron Miller was shot in the arm and abdomen inside an apartment near 52nd and Locust in 2019. Miller died hours later.
She was just an outgoing, loving person, and I'm really going to miss her. She has beautiful children that are really going to miss her.
The medical examiner's office ruled her death a homicide. Prosecutors charged Kimble days later with killing the mother of four. Investigators say Kimble's mother witnessed her son shoot Miller, but when a witness no-showed at trial, Kimble was released. For years, the case went dormant. During that time, Kimble was convicted of felony gun possession, given a stayed sentence, and put on 2 years probation. On Tuesday, prosecutors filed first-degree reckless homicide and felony gun charges against Kimble. A warrant's out for his arrest. Now, I spoke with Miller's mother, Brinson, this afternoon. She moved away after her daughter's death and is raising her children. She tells me that justice needs to be served, but says justice failed the last time and is worried that history may repeat itself. Reporting in Milwaukee, Bill Miston, Fox 6 News.
Usually our focus is on the defendant. Our focus now also on this key witness. We'll see what happens in this case. Bill, thanks.
Like what it do, ayy. I just put her to little shawty swerving in that cool, ayy. Cheeky, I don't love nobody's